Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you have not had a chance to do so already, definitely subscribe to the channel, become part of our home decor family, and also take a look at some of the previous videos that we have posted. We have some great videos about everything. But in today's video, let's take a look at some of the most gorgeous and unusual front doors that I have seen lately. As usual, if you have not taken the opportunity to do so already, definitely subscribe to our Facebook group. Now, it is free to join. Just head on over to facebook.com and look for us. We are at And Then There Was Style. I will drop the link in this video because I have heard sometimes it's kind of hard to find the group on Facebook. So just check the description box and click the link. Also, follow us on TikTok and Pinterest, both free, And Then There Was Style, just so we can keep the conversation going. But now, let's get into the video. Your front door is the main entrance into your home, and of course, your personal style. So when someone pulls up to your home, usually the guest will go through the front door, and it's actually the first thing they see about your home. Of course, you have your windows, your landscaping, decorations. They also add character and curb appeal, but your front door is where your guests' eyes are focused as they stroll up to your home, and the last thing they see as they walk out. We've all seen the very normal, I'll call them, regular front doors, right? They just they do their job. They open and they close and they allow us to come in and out at will. But there are some beautiful front doors out there, you guys. And as simple as a front door is, or as simple as you think it may be, there are so many different front doors to choose from. Whether you have a door that's all windows or primarily windows, where the knob is, the color of it, different inlays you have on it. There are so many options and colors and styles to choose from to really just give your home personality. So if you're looking to add a touch of style or a pop of color to your home without the cost of a huge major renovation, a new front entry door can help make a strong statement. This front door and really front porch just puts me in an absolutely cheery mood. I love this, and I love the use of greenery. You guys, I am a sucker for double doors on a front door, and this door is just perfect to me. I love the color red, I love the amount of light that goes in, and I love those gold accents. Some people swear by a good iron front door, especially for security purposes, and this one is gorgeous. So this front door has a huge window, which a lot of times I'm very iffy about just for security purposes. But I love how they put this bamboo kind of shade here. I just think it's so pretty, and the colors pair really well together. This is another look that I loved as well. Lots of big, huge windows to let in light, but they seem to have a little bit of frosting or etching on them, which will help with the privacy aspect of it. I love that. I love a good Dutch door. The windows at the top allow for a lot of natural light and even gives you ability to open the top portion while still keeping the bottom portion locked. Now this was a pop of color that I was not expecting, but I'm not mad at it at all. I think this is so pretty. What about you guys? What do you think? Okay, not gonna lie, I am loving this yellow, especially with the black hardware and accessories. Now, if I could do anything, I would add just a little bit of greenery. I feel like it needs a little bit of green. So in like shrubs or something like that, maybe plants, but I think it needs a little green, but this is really nice. So you guys already know that I love my blue color, but the blue with this crisp white with this natural wood is just gorgeous. The only thing I would change is that light there at the top. I may make that gold, but then again, that gold may clash with the wood, so maybe I just leave it how it is. Okay guys, this was so unusual that I had to really look and see what was going on. As you see, the bottom left is the door and everything else is a window. This is the type of details that you don't really get in newer homes anymore. Alright guys, so I thought these front doors were perfect for like contemporary or maybe even industrial style homes. They give you just that different look and it ties in the inside of your home, the interior of your home with the outside, with the exterior. I felt like these doors were perfect for that. You guys, this door is absolutely one of my favorites. I don't know why, but I love that middle round knob. It's so uncommon to me. I've never seen a door like this in person, but I think it's just so gorgeous. So I feel like this is a front door if you live kind of on a little bit of land. This is a lot for me. There is absolutely no privacy, but it's still beautiful nonetheless. I absolutely love how bright and cheery both of these front doors are. It just makes you happy to go inside these homes. Another great idea is to have the color of your front door match the decorations that you have going on your porch. This way it really helps to tie everything together. Alright guys, so as we get to the end of this video, please take a moment and let me know down below in the comments section which one of these front doors that you just felt was just beautiful. We have so many to choose from. We have different colors, different shapes, different places where the handles are, and I just wondered which one of these that you really fell in love or in like with. Just let me know down below in the comment section. Alrighty guys, so I've already asked you to comment down below what your favorite front door was. If you want to know mine, it is this beauty right here. I love a good double door front door. I just feel like it's so convenient. And this door was just gorgeous with the window panes and the color and the shape of it. I thought this was so pretty. I felt like it just belonged on an English home somewhere. This is gorgeous. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!